Hello traders, this is a Bitcoin technical analysis. In this video I will lay out all the possible scenarios for Bitcoin's price action. I will tell you what my expectations are and under what conditions I'm willing to consider a short and where I am looking to long. First of all, we need to understand that from the low to the high, and I'm not considering this week, from the low to the high, Bitcoin made 55%, I think, almost 55%. And after a 55% move to the upside without any serious pullbacks, I think that the liquidity is definitely to the downside because we have traders that are long from 25 or from 26 or from 28 that the market maker has not recovered their liquidity at all. And we also have this huge imbalance candle, which I'm expecting the market maker to take back at least partially. Now, what are the possible scenarios on the days ahead? First possible scenario is continuation to the upside. Is it possible? Yes. Is it likely? In my opinion, no, because after a 55% to the upside, chances are that Bitcoin will retrace. Okay? Now, I'm not discounting that possibility. And my way of getting over that FOMO is by leaving, I always leave a profitable position, a winning position. I always leave it running, not the whole position, but I always leave 10% or 15% open, just in case the market does something unexpected. This way, I don't feel FOMO and I don't feel sorry for myself for losing on a trade. Now, this is the first option. Not likely in my opinion. Second option is highly likely in my opinion, is that 37.7 is resistance. You see that we have a supply zone on the 1 hour time frame beginning at 37.80 and ending at 38.70. We also have a partially depleted supply zone here. Originally, the proximal line was at 37.7 and the distal line is at 40K. I don't think that Bitcoin is going to get over this resistance easily or quickly. Now, what I want or expect to happen in most likelihood, I expect this resistance to hold, and I expect Bitcoin to send a wicks to the upside. What I want to see is just wicks above, let's say 37.7. I want to see just wicks, no candle bodies. I want to see one try, then maybe it will consolidate below this resistance level and try again and again. And if I will see that, it will be a good sign for me because wicks up are a sign of the market maker preparing short positions. So if we will see only wicks without candle bodies to the upside, the short scenario will increase in probability, in my opinion. And if that will happen, I will be willing to take a risky short. And I say again, a risky short, because then I will expect one last sharp move to take out all the early and the hasty short sellers, to take out their stop losses. And after that, I expect a retracement down to around, let's say, between 31,500 and 33,000. This is the most likely scenario in my opinion, but it doesn't mean that it will happen. We have to wait and see. Another scenario that is also uh, possible is that we will see another, let's say, a shallow retracement to 34,500, okay, and another push up to around 40K, and after that we will receive a more substantial correction to the downside. These are the three possibilities that we should be looking out for. At the moment, I don't have any clarity about what is going to happen exactly, and this is why I choose not to do anything. Sometimes the hardest move is not to move, not to do anything. I want to take trades, I want to be busy, I want to be in the market, but sometimes this urge to do something is killing your trading account. So if you don't have clarity, you just sit back and relax, make some time for your girlfriends or for your wives and for your kids and for everything else that you do in life, and wait. Patience. Patience is the key. Okay, that's all I have for you on Bitcoin. I hope it helps you, and I will see you in the next video.